welcome to my channel. I still have some old footage on how to make this ring here, and I thought I might do the video with it and show it to y'all. So I have this little mold and I'm using only that piece that I just showed you. And this is a project for UV resin. I'm pouring me some resin into my little bowl there. Not much because we don't need that much for that project. And I put some ordinary resin inks in there. I stirred it around and I add some glitter to it. Mix it really well. And place it in my mold. And I won't fill the mold up to the top, only like about halfway. I'm done. Now it goes under the lamp. Now the piece is cured and I'm taking it out, and I need 2 of those pieces. So I made up another one, as you can see over here. And I sent the top a little down because I don't want no sharp edges. And I don't want the ring to be too thick. And I do that with the other one as well. So now I'm laying down the 2 pieces like I want to put them together, so it will fit the ring and the plant that I made. And here I have some rhinestones that I want to put in between, and I'm trying to measure how many of them I need. That's a little bit fiddly because when you wear gloves, I guess you all know that it's kind of hard. And I'm cutting accordingly to my measurements. I'm trying to place the pieces now how I need them to be when I want to glue them together. And I put the side with the stones in on the bottom because they're supposed to be on the top later. And see, when you push it together, it all fits nicely. But without one of those, how you call it, pliers? Oh, you know what I'm talking about. This would not be possible, at least not with gloves on. I'm putting on my mat only a drop of UV resin, and I take my small brush and try to brush it in the back of those stones and on the sides of those resin pieces, so they will stick together when I put it underneath the lamp. But as you can see, it's tricky because everything is so lightweight that even the stroke with the brush can pull it out of there. Now I'm adding a little bit more resin to stabilize the whole thing. And I do that 2 or 3 times more. Yeah, I try to fill up that space there. So, and this is the top. And I take my UV resin bottle and dome that piece. First the sides, and I have to do that twice as well. And I take my brush to spread the resin out where I need it. Now I'm putting another layer on top of it. I'm getting to the actual ring right now, and I put a little resin in my little bowl, and I add some glitter and 1 drop of color also. And I've been mixing it around, and I fill up my mold. I'll let it run for you so you can watch. Not much to explain then. And it goes under the lamp too. I think it looks pretty decent already. So I still have a crease in there, and I want to fill it up with resin because I want to have a even like a plate to put my ring piece on. And ever since these are 3 pieces, I have to put something in the sides too to stabilize the whole thing. And I will cover the sides of this ring as well. As you can see here, I have some kind of a tacky thing to stick my resin piece on so it stays the way I need it, because when it's laying down I can't do that. And here you see me covering the whole side. My ring piece is cured now, and I'm taking it out of the mold. And it has a sharp edge, as you can see. And I'm taking my nail file and file it down so the rough edges disappear. And as you can see, it has a ridge still in there, and I fill this up with resin, so it's like doming too. I do that 2 or 3 times so it gets a really nice round shape, because I don't want to scratch my finger wearing the ring. Here are my 2 pieces now, and I don't have no mold that fits my finger. So what I have to do is I cut a piece out of the ring piece with some pliers. And here you can see how that looks. Now I'm taking my nail file and filing the very top of it, the piece where I want to attach it to my ring top. I don't want the top be raised off of my finger. I want it laying flat on my finger, so that's why I just get rid of some bulk. And I'm attaching only one side of that ring yet, because like I said, it's too small and I have to make it work for my finger. Now it already looks like a ring, doesn't it? So I try to stabilize that, and I do that with the other side as well, but I spread it a little further away so the ring gets a little bit larger. And here I'm just putting some more resin on to stabilize it as well. It's too bad that it is off camera, but I'm now putting down a layer of resin on the whole back uh, of the ring, so it gets no sharp edges and it's like really flat to wear on my finger. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had a lot of fun just like me. If you like what I did, please subscribe to my channel or ring the bell or leave a thumbs up. I'd like that very much, and it's very much appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.